Check out this house. $2 million McLaren Senna. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside of my straight pipe BMW M4, and today we're gonna be going on a quick Hollywood coffee run. So this thing obviously has the full track exhaust, it's super loud, so it might be time to cause a little bit of a disturbance out in Hollywood. So without further ado, let's put this thing in drive and get on the road. Before we get on the road, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber has a whole bunch of genuine carbon fiber accessories like wallet clips, sunglasses, watches, and even more. I really like this thing because it keeps all of my credit cards, my ID, my driver's license, and even some cash in a nice minimalistic, easily accessible form. Not only that, the weave goes perfect with my carbon fiber inside of my BMW M4. So if you guys want genuine carbon fiber accessories for a good price, make sure you hit those links in the description. If you use code BF10, you're gonna get 10% off. Without further ado, let's get on with today's video. First stop is going to be in Beverly Hills to grab some coffee and see what kind of cars we can see on the way. We're going to be taking Mulholland Drive, which is one of the most famous driving roads in America. From Rodeo Drive, we're going to be heading over to Hollywood. Oh, check out this old school SL. Oh, I got a nice F90 M5. Wow, check out that view. That was the Hollywood sign. Oh, listen to that shift. Bunch of Hollywood tour buses. Oh my God. Wow, look at that view. Oh my gosh. Man, this road is so nice. You know, you got a lot of residential, multi-million-dollar homes, and out of nowhere it starts to open up a bit. You can get up to speed, these really nice tight turns, and not to mention all the views you get of LA, the Valley, Malibu. You can see everything from up here, and this has got to be one of my favorite roads in Southern California so far. Oh, look at this GT3. And here we are in Beverly Hills. Look at that, a $2 million McLaren Senna. Now that's crazy. Look at that Bentley coupe. Check out this old Porsche. Nice. So we went ahead and went to cappuccino. Time to wake me up a bit. After this, we're gonna go for a little walk and see what kind of cars are down here as well. It's pretty good. Wow, check out this Cullinan, well spec. It's even got like an orange pinstripe on it with an orange interior. It's a nice M4 in Sakura orange. Check out this Urus. It's a nice color. Oh man, look at this M8. Got a rear end collision. The McLaren right there. We saw some nice cars. Let's hop back inside the M4. See if we can do some more spotting from the car, and then we're gonna head over to Hollywood. Oh man, look at this M5 CS. Look at that. That's nice. So here we are on Rodeo Drive. Much more busy during the day than at night. Nice X5M. That downshift sounds so nice. Brand new M5 comp right there. Oh, what is that? It's like a dune buggy from GTA. Oh, nice M5. Oh, check out this house. That is beautiful. That's a bit of my style right there. The way this car shifts with the dual clutch transmission is just epic. Wow, look at that 720S. It seems to be a McLaren day out here in Beverly Hills, but with that being said, we're gonna head over to Hollywood, see what the vibe is over there. Here goes Hollywood Boulevard. The Walk of Fame is right here. Wow, it's pretty busy over here. Looks like they're shooting a movie. They have a whole set here with lighting and everything. Well, that was just about do it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.